Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Tayyaba Science Center. So today in this video we will discuss MCQs on genetic code and protein synthesis. So let's begin. Our first question is, the existence of genetic code was first proposed by Tiemann, B. Commoner, F. Crick, Holle. So our correct option is option number C, F. Crick. He discovered the existence of genetic code first. Next question. The total number of codons are 60, 62, 64, 66. So our correct option is option number B, 64, because the total number of codons are 64. Next question. Which of them is an initiation codon in prokaryotes? UAG, GUA, AUG and UGA. So our correct option will be option number C, AUG. This is the initiation codon in prokaryotes, and in eukaryotes the initiation codon is GUG, which codes for valine. So the correct option for this question is option number C. Next question. AUG codes for which amino acid? Valine, alanine, methionine and proline. So AUG, which is the initiation codon in prokaryotes, codes for methionine. So our correct option will be option number C. Next question. Which of them is a nonsense codon? UGC, UAA, UAG and both B and C. So our correct option will be option number C, both B and C, because both UAA and UAG are nonsense codon, and apart from them there is one more nonsense codon which is UGA. So all these three are known as nonsense codon or termination codons. Next question. Which of them is not correct? Genetic codes are triplet in nature, genetic codes are overlapping, genetic codes are commaless. So a correct option will be option number B, because genetic codes are non-overlapping, they do not overlap. Next question. Who gave the Wobble hypothesis? M.W. Nirenberg, J.H. Mathai, F.H. Crick and Altman. So our correct option is option number C, F.H. Crick. He gave this Wobble hypothesis. Next question. According to Wobble hypothesis, the specificity of a codon is particularly determined by last two bases, first two bases, first and last base, and none of them. So a correct option is option number B, first two bases. According to Wobble hypothesis, the specificity of any codon is determined by first two bases. So this is our correct option. Next question. The enzyme that synthesizes DNA from RNA is, so the process of synthesis of DNA from RNA is known as reverse transcription, and it is directed by RNA directed DNA polymerase enzyme. So our correct option is option number D. Next question. Which strand of DNA is used for RNA synthesis? Antisense strand, sense strand, template strand and both A and C. So our correct option is sense strand, and this strand is also known as coding strand, and this strand of DNA is used for RNA synthesis. So our correct option is option number B. Next question. Promoter present in eukaryotes is Pribnosequences, Goldberg-Huggins box, Tata box and D, both B and C. So our correct option is option number D, both B and C, because these are present in eukaryotes as promoter. This Goldberg-Huggins box is also known as Tata box. So our correct option is option number D. Next question. Which subunit of ribosome first attaches to 5' end of mRNA during protein synthesis in prokaryotes? So as we are talking about prokaryotes, so these 40S and 60S units are present in eukaryotes, so these options are wrong. So now we are left with 30S and 50S, so the correct option is option number C, 30S. Next question. Which initiation factor in prokaryotes helps in attachment of tRNA to mRNA? Initiation factor 1, initiation factor 2, initiation factor 3 and initiation factor 4. So our correct option is option number B, initiation factor 2, because this helps in attachment of tRNA to mRNA. And what other factors do is, this is 30S unit of ribosome, and This initiation factor 3 basically attaches mRNA to 30S unit of ribosome. Then this initiation factor 2 comes and it helps in attachment of tRNA to mRNA. Then this initiation factor 1 helps in attachment of 50S unit of ribosome. So this was all about all these initiation factor. So for this question, our correct option is option number B, initiation factor 2. Next question. The tRNA containing first amino acid gets attached at dash site on ribosome. E site, P site, A site, none of them. So the first tRNA containing first amino acid gets attached at P site. So our correct option is option number B. Now the last question. Which of the following is not required for protein synthesis? Ribosome, peptidyl transferase, tRNA and phycobilin. So our correct option for this question is option number D, phycobilin, because this is not required for protein synthesis. I hope that you have found this video helpful, and if you like our video, do subscribe and share with your friends, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you can get notification for all our upcoming videos. And yeah, thanks for watching. Keep showing your love.